Hey folks, I'm here to show you the unboxing of my new toy. It's a Dometic 2-zone refrigerator freezer. It's a 75 quart. Anyhow, let's get to it. I just got it yesterday, so I'm unboxing it for the first time. It's still sealed. Let me go with the cutter. Alright. I don't know if I'll be able to pull it out. And it's quite heavy. In the box anyhow. I'm sure it's not going to be as big as what it is right now. So as you can see, got two doors on it. Let me go ahead and pull it out, see if I can do that. It's probably going to be a handful pulling this thing out. I'll be able to do that. Anyhow, let's take a look on the inside. Which way does it open? No. There it goes. There's the lids. Alright. Let's see if I can do this. I may end up having to put it on the side. And get it out. Probably not supposed to do this, but I'm doing it. Just to get it out. Move this box out of the way enough. Need to set it down. And I'm told, I'm pretty sure this has got Wi-Fi for your phone. Got fold down handles. You got latches for your lids. You got your 12 volt and 110 plugs. This is probably your freezer here. That's kind of nice. You got a light in there, and you got two baskets, one for the bottom, one for the top. That's pretty cool. And there's your fridge right there. So let me see here. I don't know if you can read that or not. I also got the insulator for the cover for it. So let me see if I can. There you go. See if, I don't know if you can read that or not. So Dometic CFX75DZW. I didn't get it from Amazon. Amazon was too expensive. So I went through. I went on to Camping World and got from them. It was I think it was $200 off. But anyhow, I know there's terrible lighting right now. Seems like. See if I can get this turned around so you can see it better. Anyhow, heck with the box. But that's gonna go in the bus. Probably right under the where the air conditioner hookup is, or window where I put it in the window. I think I'm gonna have to run a separate cord for that. I'm not sure yet. It doesn't draw very many amps. I can't remember exactly what it is. Matter of fact, I'll put it on the screen. But anyhow, sorry for the lighting. I realize it's not that great of lighting, or it seems that way anyhow. It seems like when I'm showing something like in the bus and it doesn't look like it's good lighting, it really was. So let's see if we got, here's your hookups down here for DC and AC. Then your power switch sets, plus and minus probably of temperature. But pretty nice one. I've been wanting to get one for a long time. I was looking at a 95 Quart one, but decided against that, especially when I saw the measurements. I had to have something to fit in a certain area. But anyhow, that's my unboxing of the Dometic. I'll have the model number on the screen right now. Anyhow, that's it for now. I appreciate you watching. And if you thought this was informative, hit the like button and share. And as always, please subscribe. Thanks and be safe.